In the last 2 hours, the Supreme Court has released two major rulings, and one will impact tens of millions of Americans who have student loan debt. Natalie Brand reports from outside the High Court.
The Supreme Court has thrown out President Biden's student debt relief program that sought to forgive up to $20,000 in student loans for millions of Americans. The case was brought by Republican attorneys general who argued the plan exceeded the president's authority. The administration had argued it had the power to act during national emergencies such as the coronavirus pandemic.
The court said today in a 6-3 decision by the chief, no, this is a big program. You need specific authorization from Congress. You can't try and shoehorn it into waiver or modification in the HEROES Act.
The Supreme Court also weighed in on a case that pitted gay rights against a Colorado web designer's claims of free speech and religious beliefs. The justices ruled 6-3 in favor of Lori Smith, who sued over a state law saying making wedding websites for same-sex marriages conflicts with her religious beliefs and Colorado's law violates her right to free speech.
There are some messages I can't create no matter who requests them.
Writing for the court, Justice Gorsuch cites First Amendment protection, saying Colorado seeks to force an individual to speak in ways that align with its views but defy her conscience about a matter of major significance. In her dissent, Justice Sonia Sotomayor wrote, "For the first time in its history, the court grants a business open to the public a constitutional right to refuse to serve members of a protected class." Natalie Brandt, CBS News, Washington.
The decision is another win for religious rights. On Thursday, the court decided a case involving a Christian postal worker. The justices unanimously ruled that employees who ask for religious accommodations should have their requests honored in almost all cases.